to this week's podcast of our vocabulary words. This is Unit 6, Week 4, and this is our second to last time we're going to do this. You're going to miss us, but we're going to miss you more. So let's get busy. Let's get this done. First of all, as you know, you need to fold your paper 4 times and write the words on top for the categories. Okay, so the first word that we are starting with is civilization. The definition for civilization is an advanced stage of human organization and culture. Well, you're going to have to think about that one for a minute, but you know what civilization is. So pause the video, write down the definition. The example for civilization is the Toltec civilization took thousands of years to develop. We just used that in our we just read about that in our story. So pause the video and write the example down. Okay, now for the question. Remember to restate your answer as a statement and not a question. Here's your question. What would you expect to find in a civilization? You guys, that's easy. You can do that because we live in a civilization. So go ahead and pause your video. Again, make sure you use your vocabulary word in the sentence. Restate the question in your answer. Go ahead and pause the video and do that. The next word is complex. Complex. Complex means difficult to understand or do. Pause the video and write that down. Your example is the teacher gave only one math problem for homework because the problem was so complex. Stop the video, pause the video, and write that down. The question, what things do you think are complex? So write a couple of things. Don't just write one thing and explain why. Make sure it's a complete thought. Please make sure you use the word in your sentence and restate the question. So get that done, and we'll do the next word.
All right, our next word is strategy. Strategy. It's kind of like in the Civil War, the North and the South had to have a strategy. Strategy. Go ahead and write the word. All right. Mine was a pretty good definition. Let's see what it says here. It says, a strategy is a plan. North and South, they had to have a plan. Civil War, that's right. All right. Pause the video, write the definition. All right. An example of strategy is the team's strategy is to take its opponent by surprise. Think those Civil War soldiers took their opponents by surprise? They did. Strategy. All right. Pause the video. Write your example. Okay. Question sentence. Here we go. Can you think of a strategy for studying better? Strategy. All right. Our next word is outcast. Outcast. Write the word. Let's define outcast. An outcast is a person not accepted by other people. Outcast. Pause the video. Write your definition. An example of outcast is the new student, better yet, felt like an outcast. That's pretty sad. You guys would never, ever let anyone feel like an outcast, would you? Pause the video, write your example. Okay, here we go. We're back. Let's go to our question sentence. What can you do for an outcast to make him or her part of a group? Remember, complete sentence. Use the information from the question sentence into your answer. All that kind of good stuff. Pause the video. Write your sentence. That is it. Guys, do a good job. We expect great work from you. Again, by doing this, we're going to become better readers and writers.